Here, our CDL program at Miami Dade College, we offer a lot of different types of methods of instruction. We have the online classroom where we're able to teach you guys what to expect on the road, all the laws and regulations that are put into place. And then we also teach you guys how to do the behind the wheel, where we give you a lot of hours of instruction between your backing, your maneuvers, your on the road, which is really important, and of course your pre-trip inspections and everything you need to know to get on the roads. We want to make sure that our students are very well prepared and very well equipped to handle the open road, the expected and the unexpected.
I do recommend it because it gives you more of a hands-on experience.
We actually driving the trucks during practicing, which is what we're going to do in the actual job in the real world.
If you want to change your life, come take your class here at Miami Dade College. We got the best professors and the best staff. They're very hands-on with us, and they have a lot of experience in the field, and that's something that we really need.
I got my CDL at a very young age, and it changed my life forever. So take the leap of faith. I promise you, you won't regret it.